Hey, this is CJ the Traveler Man. Thought I'd let you know we stopped in Cross Plain, Tennessee. Yes, Cross Plain, Tennessee. I want to thank you deeply. If these flies will leave me alone, for letting me join and being welcome in Cross Plains, Tennessee. This is CJ the Traveler Man. Spread the word, and we're coming to a city, a town, and a village near you. Cross Plain is a city which is in the Robinson County, Tennessee. Fly, get off my nose. Population is around 1,700 people. In 1779, the first settlers in Robinson County was made by Thomas Kilgore at the Middle Fork in the Red River, 3/4 of a mile, which is west of the Cross Plain. Cross Plain is the second oldest town in the county. The first building was double lodge house erected by William Randolph